How to create a Shopify store fast using AI, build your store tutorial. Now, most people never start dropshipping because building a Shopify store feels way too complicated. You need a logo, a design, product pages, a homepage, branding apps, layouts, and honestly, most beginner stores look absolutely terrible. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to build a professional looking Shopify store using AI in just minutes. We'll use Build Your Store AI, which is basically an AI powered Shopify store builder that handles most of the hard setup for you. And the best part is that AI Store Builder itself is completely free to use. So let's build a store from scratch. Now, before we create anything, I want to show you what these AI generated stores can actually look like. Now, these are example stores created using Build Your Store. And honestly, these already look so much better than what most beginners make manually after spending days trying to figure Shopify out. Now, in these stores, you can see clean layouts, proper sections for everything. You can even see proper product sections. And moving on, you have professional branding, optimized product pages for yourself. And the best part is that it has a user friendly design. And this is exactly why AI store builders are becoming so popular. So instead of spending hours designing everything yourself, the AI handles most of the heavy lifting. Now, let me show you how the actual setup works. Now, firstly, you're going to open up your Build Your Store link in the description and pinned comment. Now, once you land on the platform, you're going to able to start generating your Shopify store. Now, one thing I like here is the setup process, which is quite beginner friendly. You don't need any coding experience, you don't need design experience, and you definitely don't need to stare at a blank Shopify theme for 6 hours questioning your life choices. The AI is basically going to guide you through the process. So, firstly, you're going to choose your niche, and as you go on, you're going to go with all these steps. Now, as you can see, I've completed all of them, but what you're going to do is you're going to go on them one by one. So, you're going to go ahead with choose your store niche. So, you're going to choose whatever you want, right? So let's say we're going to go with fashion and apparel. Okay. Then once you've done that and clicked on update, it's going to automatically take you to the next step. So you're going to choose the banners for your page. Obviously, make sure the banners are in a much, integrated design. So I'm going to choose these and click on update. And once you go on, you're going to keep on filling in the information regarding everything. So it says, we've built your store. Now just click claim store and it is yours. So you're simply going to click on claim store and it's going to take you to the next step. Now I've already done this step, so you're just going to keep going on and complete the steps as they come. So now, depending on the setup flow, the AI may generate store branding, product layouts, descriptions, images, homepage sections, and design structures automatically. Now, once you go through all the steps and confirm everything, the AI starts building the store. Now, what you're going to do is, of course, you're going to go ahead and connect it with Shopify. Now, right now, Shopify is also offering a 3-day free trial followed by $1 per month for the first 3 months. So, if you are a beginner, this is actually one of the cheaper ways to start testing e commerce. So, to connect your Shopify account, as I told you, you're simply going to go to claim your store. And once you go to claim your store, you're going to click on claim my store, and it's going to take you straight to Shopify and have you log in. And once that is done, it is claimed. So once your Shopify account is connected, the AI generated store structure gets pushed into your Shopify. And this is where you save an incredible amount of time because normally beginners are going to spend days adjusting their themes, fixing their layouts, testing colors, changing fonts, moving sections around, and constantly watching tutorials. But here, the AI already handles most of that setup. Now, once you have done all of that and gone through it, you can obviously still customize everything. So here it is going to say your Shopify store is live. So once it says your Shopify store is live, you're first of all going to go ahead and click on Access My Store, which is going to open up your store in a new tab. And once that is done, you can also click on Done, which takes you to the next step, which helps you go ahead and create your UGC. Now, of course, this is how our Shopify store looks. Now, the reason for that is because you need to be the login owner. So you're simply going to go ahead and log yourself in, and it's going to give you all the customization compatibilities. And honestly, I do recommend doing this because it's going to allow you to customize. AI gives you a very strong starting point, but you should still personalize your store a little. So, for example, you can go ahead and edit the different types of banners that it gives you, improve product titles, and update your descriptions, change different types of colors, swap images, and add trust elements. One thing beginners often forget is that simple stores usually perform better. You do not need 45 animations flying across the homepage like it's a Marvel movie trailer. Make it clean, fast, and easy to navigate because that is what matters. And the nice thing here is that Build Your Store gives you a professional foundation immediately, starting from zero. Now, the reason tools like this are growing so quickly is simple. Most people don't quit e commerce because of products, they quit because setup feels insanely overwhelming. AI is going to remove a huge amount of that friction instead of needing designers, developers, branding experts, or even Shopify experience. You can launch much faster, and no, AI doesn't magically go ahead and generate success, but it definitely helps beginners skip a lot of the technical headaches. Now, a few beginner tips before you publish your store. Number one, check your store on mobile. Your traffic is mostly going to come from phones. Number two, clean up the AI generated texts if needed. Sometimes AI descriptions can sound overly robotic. And number three, focus on trust. Add clear product images, simple navigations, policies, and realistic product descriptions. A clean, trustworthy store will always outperform a messy one. So, that is basically how to create a Shopify store fast using AI. As you can see, tools like Build Your Store is the greatest, and they make the process much easier for beginners because the AI handles a huge part of setup automatically. Now, if you want to try it for yourself, I will leave the Build Your Store link below. The AI Store Builder is free to use, and Shopify is currently offering a free 3-day trial, followed by $1 per month for the first 3 months. I will also leave everything linked in the description and pinned comment. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next one. Have a great day. Goodbye.